Thank you for attending the trial lesson at Allright School. We would like to explain how to start learning with us. After watching this video, you will receive a personalized learning plan for your child, including the recommended English level, suggested course to follow, estimated progress, and the topics your child will study during the course. Next, you will need to select a subscription plan, the number of weekly lessons, and the payment period. The more lessons your child has each week, the faster they will reach the desired level of English. With regular classes 3 times a week, your child can progress to the next level within 6 months. Please note that you can get a significant discount by choosing a longer-term package. After payment, you can set up a convenient learning schedule for your child. You can choose a fixed schedule with set days and times for lessons with one teacher, or a flexible schedule, allowing you to book lessons with any teachers at a time that suits you. Our team consists of over 600 qualified teachers, each with a unique teaching approach and many years of experience working with children. You are sure to find the right teacher. If you wish to change the teacher, you can easily do so in your account with just a few clicks. With your subscription, you will receive speaking clubs as a gift. These clubs are a great way to overcome language barriers, improve pronunciation, expand vocabulary, and enjoy positive peer interactions. Your child can complete engaging exercises and study at their own pace through their personal account. With our mobile app, they can review the material anytime, anywhere in the world. That's it! Just 5 steps and your child will be learning at a leading English language school. Don't delay! Explore the personal plan and choose the best learning subscription. As our students say, English with Allright is love at first lesson. Happy learning!